Hi, I'm Nigel Skinner from Andrew Alliance here at PEGS Europe in Lisbon. I'm here with my colleague Jasper Eaton, who's one of our sales managers for Europe, as well as with Jillian Gahan, who's an application specialist for our partner Valitacell. Jasper, kicking off with you, what have been your observations here at PEGS Lisbon so far?
Thanks for the introductions, Nigel. My first impressions here at PEGS Lisbon have been that the people walking by our booth have been interested in the Andrew Plus robot for being much more in the end than just a liquid handling robot, capable of doing liquid handling, but also connecting with connected devices, like for example a shaker that we call Shaker Plus, or a Peltier device for heating and cooling of different plates. These connected devices are all going through our OneLab connected interface in order to be programmed with the robots, in conjunction with the robots. The other reason behind these different connected devices is actually that our different partners, so Waters, for example, with the Vacuum Plus manifolds, and for N-glycan analysis, and the Mashray Nagel kit for MIDI prep, so being able to elute DNA samples, have also triggered the development of these different devices. Last of our partners is Valitacell, that are actually here present with Jillian. So, Jillian, tell us a little bit more.
So, Valitacell is part of our quantum platform technology. It is a high throughput, rapid IgG quantification assay based on the principle of fluorescent polarization. We've partnered with Andrew Alliance because accurate and reproducible quantification of IgG is essential throughout drug discovery and development. Automation using the Andrew Plus provides standardization and the production of reliable and reproducible data. Thanks, Nigel.
Thank you very much, Jillian. Thank you very much, Jasper. So come and visit us at stand 421 to come and discuss and to learn more. Or if you can't do that, visit our website www.andrewalliance.com/webinars to sign up for our next webinar, which will be on the 11th of December, and where we'll be talking about connected devices, as mentioned by Jasper earlier on in this video. Thank you very much.